Rebuilding after a breakup, a journey. Breakups can be emotionally devastating, leaving you feeling lost and helpless. But, it's important to remember that you can rebuild your life and find your true self after a breakup. By taking the time to discover yourself and your values, you can find a new purpose and direction in life. The first step to rebuilding your life is to take a break and take care of yourself. This means giving yourself time and space to heal and process your emotions. Allowing yourself to feel your emotions is essential to finding closure and moving on. It's also important to stay away from unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as drinking or using drugs, as these can only make the situation worse. Once you have taken the time to process your emotions, it's time to focus on rebuilding yourself. This is a great opportunity to explore and discover yourself. Start by reflecting on your values and beliefs. What do you believe in? What makes you happy? These are important questions to ask yourself as they will help you find your purpose and direction in life. The next step is to focus on developing yourself. Take the time to learn something new or develop a skill. This can be anything from learning a new language to taking up a new hobby. This will help you build confidence and self-esteem and will give you something to focus on. Finally, it's important to reach out for help when needed. Don't be afraid to talk to someone and share your feelings. This could be a friend, family member, or a professional. Talking to someone can help you process your emotions and can provide you with the support you need. Rebuilding yourself after a breakup can be a difficult and challenging process. But, it's also an opportunity to explore and discover yourself and find a new purpose and direction in life. Take the time to process your emotions, explore your values, develop yourself, and reach out for help when needed. You can come out of this experience stronger and more confident than ever.